Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Explainer Videos. Chapter 24, NPV Function in Excel. The NPV, Net Present Value function in Excel, is a critical tool for evaluating the profitability of an investment or project. It calculates the present value of a series of future cash flows based on a specified discount rate. This function is fundamental in corporate finance for making informed investment decisions and assessing the value of potential projects. To use the NPV function, you need to provide two key arguments: the discount rate and the series of future cash flows. The discount rate reflects the time value of money, representing the opportunity cost of capital, or the rate of return required by investors. The cash flows should be entered in a sequence, typically starting with the cash inflow or outflow occurring at the end of each period. For example, if you're evaluating an investment project with a series of projected cash flows over several years, you can use NPV to calculate the present value of these cash flows. This helps you determine whether the project's returns exceed the cost of capital, guiding investment decisions. A positive NPV indicates that the projected returns exceed the cost, suggesting that the investment may be worthwhile. Conversely, a negative NPV suggests that the investment may not meet the required returns. Incorporating NPV into your financial analyses provides a clear measure of an investment's potential value, supporting more strategic decision-making and effective financial planning.